When you start your own business and when you have your presence online, you're not using your personal Facebook profile, your personal Instagram profile. Those are not the ones that you will be using for your business purposes. You will be creating separate business accounts on Instagram. You will be creating a separate Instagram professional account. Facebook, you have a professional account. You will have completely separate accounts. And the good thing is, all of those judgy people that you have in your life, anyone that you do not want to disclose that you are building something in the online space, you are trying to do something, you can keep it completely separate. There are a lot of ways in which you can make sure that people whose eyes you do not want on your business page, you can eliminate that. I have done that. A lot of people in our business community, in our team, have, when they started the business and when they felt that that was something which was holding them back from being themselves on their business pages, truly sharing what they wanted to share, just because of this thing in their nagging thing in their head that my mother-in-law or my sister-in-law or this person or that friend from college, what is that person going to think? All of those things, if that is something which is holding you back, let me tell you, this is the silliest reason for which you are stopping yourself from building a life that can completely change your current situation, your current scenario. When you get started, we'll teach you how exactly you can keep your business separate, keep your personal life separate. You do not have to showcase what is happening in your personal life publicly. You choose what information you share, you choose what you want to make public and what you want to keep private. That's completely in your hands. There's no rules, there's no compulsions in this is something that you have to do. If this is something that was holding you back, let me tell you, this was the biggest misconception that you could have had about starting your business. Let go of that and explore this space, explore how this thing can change your life and work towards it.